car was a slouch out of the factory. So the car comes from the factory with the Mercedes performance package, which gave it red brake calipers and I think an additional 50 horsepower and about an additional 75 to 90 pound-feet of torque. We've since gone and put a Kleeman ECU tune on the car, which now brings me to 680 horsepower at the crank and about 750 pound-feet of torque. The car is rear-wheel drive. This is before Mercedes started doing four-wheel drive on their new CLS, or rather the new AMG S model. So it does get a little tail gets a little happy when you step on it. I'll walk you through the exterior shortly, but we've done a lot of body work, including Vorsteiner front splitter, Rentec side skirts, rear diffuser, spoiler in the back. We've also lowered it on K&W coilovers. So here we have 21-inch HRE flow-form wheels. They're on Pilot Sport tires, obviously low profile. The red brake calipers actually come from the factory with AMG's performance package. Gives you a slight factory tune, a little bit of horsepower, a little bit of torque, and the red brake calipers and the Alcantara interior. Here we've also done some work on the body. These are Rentec side skirts, mostly cosmetic, maybe a little bit of aerodynamic help here with the fin. Same wheels in the back, very fat in the back, almost 12 inches wide, 305 25/20s in the back. And if we come to the rear of the vehicle, here we have the Rentec rear diffuser. Very aggressive, a lot of fins, and then the exhaust system. The tips look almost stock. I think that's the look that they were trying to go for. It's a custom Valvetronic exhaust by Frequency Intelligent. Is a company based out of Taipei. This exhaust system is actually, fun fact, the 20th one that they made for this specific car. So engraved on the bottom of the kit, it says number 20. Coming around, we have all the same bits: the HRE flow-form wheels, the Rentec side skirts, front wheels. Best part about this car is that not only is it I guess a real performer, right? A lot of horsepower under the pedal, rack and pinion steering, so very, very good road feel, but it's also super well appointed. Have the nice Alcantara headliner, nice Alcantara wrap steering wheel, magnesium paddle shifters, massage seats, cooled seats, heated seats. So everything. I think the best part about the AMGs is that obviously AMG relative to an M or an Audi RS, I guess is a more solid mix of luxury and performance. The cars themselves do not look they're not super flashy, out of the factory, and even with all the bodywork modifications, such as lowering it and all the carbon fiber bits, the car still doesn't look. It's not it won't bother your neighbor.
Sean and Jasper are an amazing father-son duo. They have high-end elite cars that are very rare. It was such a pleasure getting to know them and experiencing both of these fine automobiles. I want to let you know that there's many more enthusiasts among us coming soon, so hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you in the next one.